So first finger wrapped around, it's on the A string on the 2nd fret. Now your second finger just tucks straight underneath that, again on the 2nd fret on the D string. Super easy, hey? Same trick again though, we want to make sure that you're not deadening the string underneath it. So that means your second finger there isn't touching the string beneath it. And you'll hear the difference as well. So here's your E minor, strumming all the strings. Beautiful. Now, if I deaden this string, it just has that, misses that note. It's nice to have it in there.